at Accurate Sports. We strive to make the most accurate assault rifles available on today's market. Our unique side charging system, along with an adjustable gas block, turn your everyday assault rifle into a bolt action rifle for single or slow fire. As an auto-loading rifle, it still offers the accuracy of a bolt gun, hence the name, Accurate Sports. We use the finest barrels manufactured, such as Schillen, Rock Creek, Wilson, Krieger, and others as requested by you, our customer. We chamber headspace to less than 2/1000ths of an inch accuracy in 223 Remington, 223 Wild, 264 LBC, 6.8mm, and 300 ACC Blackout. Muzzle crowning is personalized to your specifications. Muzzle threading for suppressor or muzzle brake can be matched to existing brake or customized. Customers order online or come directly to Accurate Sports Shop. Stop by to get technical and learn more about our manufacturing process. Pick out what you want on your AR-15 and we will build it right there on the spot. Be it an upper or lower receiver, parts, or a complete and fully custom rifle, we can and will cater to your needs.